Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeShop.com. I have the 4x4 from QiYi. That's the budget 4x4, the QiYi M Pro V2. Now, I got this from SpeedCubeShop. This is available right now, so I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. As far as speed solving goes, 4x4 is what I prefer to do. I prefer to do 4x4 over even 3x3. $17.95. That is insane. That's cheaper than most 3x3s. And we've got UV coating on this. 103 grams, which I don't really know compared to other 4x4s. So the MOYU WRM, the triple track, and a little bit lighter. About 8 grams lighter. The MOYU one is. So the QiYi is just a little bit heavier. As far as size, I guess just for reference, MOYU one's 58.16, QiYi's 58.1. So about the identical size to the MOYU one. Wow, let's get this out of the way before There are corner core magnets in here. Ooh, that is fast. That wants to click into place too. How many magnets are there? I'm not sure, but no lubrication, and this feels fantastic. I'm just gonna scramble it right now. Oh no. Wait. Don't. Well, it's lubricated, which is nice, though kind of difficult for me to get all this in place. I really wish cube companies would make cubes tighter out of the box. Too many puzzles come too loose. And now for me, I could fix it. And for me, I know it works well and can adjust it. But a lot of newer cubers cannot. I think this is on the line of maybe too loose, too tight, but I'm going to leave it. Okay, let's do a solve. There we go. Okay, for a first solve, not bad. Let's add some lubrication to this. It's honestly pretty good without adding any lubrication. I said that it was lubricated. The internals really feel so, but the pieces feel a little bit scratchy. So I want to add a little bit just to get rid of that scratchiness. But this is fantastic. It's reminding me of the MOYU one. What is the price of that? So the single track for the MOYU is about $17 as well, but there are no core magnets. So I feel like this has to be more related to does the double track have core magnets? Yeah, the double track. The double track is $45. You could buy 2 of these plus some lubrication, and I would say the difference in the WRM, some of it's, I guess, tone. Even though this is technically heavier, it feels lighter. Although this is the triple track here, not the double track. But this feels lighter even though it's not. Let's do another solve. Okay. Yeah, so this is a fantastic 4x4. For $17, this to me feels like a faster, maybe a little more flexible, WRM. If you want a more stable puzzle, like, I don't know, I might still use the Aosu because it feels more stable. I would have to... Ooh. I'd have to go back and forth a lot. But it's definitely giving the same vibe. I mean, it's giving a very similar vibe as far as the look of it, performance. Ooh, that's real close. Either way, for the price, totally worth it. If you have unlimited money, buy both. But if it's between the two, I think I have to recommend the YJ one because... Oh, no, sorry, not... If it's between both, I would recommend the QiYi one because it's potentially better performance, depending on what you prefer, for a much cheaper overall cost. With UV coating as well, what's the triple track go for right now? $55.95. You could buy 3 of them. I don't know if it compares, like the triple track just has extra magnets. Maybe that's why it feels more stable right now. But, wow. Yeah. I also love the size. I think it's funny when there were 60mm 4x4s and I was advocating like, this is going to be the future. We're all going to be using this. And then now the standard size is often below 59. Great. Pick it up. Get it. It's fantastic. I wish I opened this earlier. I've had this actually on my desk for a little bit. But definitely check it out. Tighten the tensions when you get it out of the box. Other than that, hit like and subscribe. Please keep following for more news and reviews and whatever my normal saying is.